So, Hillary's really pissing me off. Yesterday, I said I'd go on. I said I'd go on a bike ride. You know, I haven't been biking in a long time.
Who the author is?
I went and took it out of the shop. These leaky valves. Little. That's big. Well, I did that. I used to bike it all the time up to cross country. But so I took it out and got all the cobwebs off. Rubbed my hair everywhere after doing that. And then took it out, shined it up, and I went and I put on my spandex outfit. I was looking hot. I wanted to wear white because it was raining, but went ahead and put on the gray outfit. Spandex shorts, tight gray shirt, mini skirt. I was looking good. So I get on my bike and I just ride. And I ride up to the school. It's like 10 hours. So you know what? Kept going.
I'm gonna go drive around for a while.
Love bike rides. So I kept biking, and I biked up to Mi Casita. I love Mi Casita. I was gonna go in and eat a fajita. But I decided I'd call my friend Matt first. So I went up, rubbed my body all up against the window. Yeah, like a emergency. So he came outside, and he was like, "Collin, I see seeing you here." I was like, "Yes." And I zipped out my hair out from under my helmet, and I got off. I was like, "Shut up, you did now." I was covered in mud from head to foot. He came over and wiped my face, and we shared a moment. Like,
no moments were shared.
In this story.
I don't like the story.
We stared at each other's eyes.
No.
I know it's hard to accept. So then, banged on the window.
I'm gonna eat those. Don't throw them.
Decided to give him a cherry. Oh, but no.
I didn't have one to give.
Exactly. So he went in to get Adam to help fix this problem. So I went up, and I began jumping around and leaping in front of the window. And Adam came out. We frolicked around the parking lot. And then Hillary was inside, and she was like, "I don't even care that they're frolicking. Me and Collin never frolicked." Collin got really pissed off. Hillary came out, went for her own frolic. And
she frolicked with herself? Disgusting.
anyways, you know. So then, so she got on the board. She needed to focus. She drove off. And Collin, I'm Collin. I was still hot, wet, and muddy. So I decided I would bike right off into